The Peak Credit Union Cashback Checking Account offers a straightforward way to earn rewards on everyday debit card purchases. This checking account focuses on putting up to $10 per month back into the account holder's pocket through a flat cashback mechanism on Debit transactions, completely free of any specific category restrictions. Whether the card is swiped for weekly groceries, filling up the gas tank, or grabbing a morning coffee, the cashback applies uniformly across all purchases. Alongside this monthly cash incentive, the account provides up to $25 in nationwide ATM surcharge fee refunds per month, which acts as a helpful buffer against the annoying extra costs of using out-of-network cash machines. On top of the personal perks, Peak Credit Union includes a charitable component where 1 cent per transaction is automatically donated to local charities, allowing users to support community causes simply by making their regular purchases. Managing this account comes with standard digital tools designed to ease common banking friction points. Users gain access to free online mobile banking, free mobile check deposit, free bill pay, and a free debit card, though it is worth keeping in mind that wireless carriers might still charge standard data or text messaging fees for mobile usage. To completely avoid any monthly maintenance fees with this account, users must be enrolled to receive electronic eStatements. Qualifying for the actual cashback rewards and the ATM fee refunds requires meeting 2 specific criteria during each monthly cycle, which are executing at least 12 debit card transactions and remaining enrolled in eStatements. For those looking to build up their savings, Peak Credit Union allows this account to link directly to a Peak Saver account. When linked, all checking rewards and ATM refunds are automatically swept into this high-interest savings account to earn additional dividends over time. To get started with opening an account, individuals can apply online, call their customer service line at 800-258-3115, or physically visit a local Peak branch. Though a savings account is strictly required to open a checking account, looking at the positive side of this financial tool, it addresses several major pain points that traditional bank customers face. The most appealing feature is the lack of category restrictions on the cashback, meaning users do not have to perform mental gymnastics to remember which store yields rewards. It is simple, predictable, and fits naturally into regular spending habits. For anyone who uses their debit card frequently for small, everyday purchases, hitting the 12 transaction minimum is an incredibly low hurdle that practically clears itself. The $25 ATM fee refund is another massive win, especially for people who hate planning their routes around specific banking networks just to grab some quick cash. Plus, getting digital tools like bill pay and mobile deposit for free makes overall financial management smooth and modern, while the automated 1 cent charity donation adds a nice feel-good bonus to ordinary spending. On the flip side, there are a few limitations and potential downsides that prevent this account from being a perfect fit for everyone. The $10 monthly cap on cashback is quite low, meaning the absolute maximum a user can earn in a year is $120. For high spenders, this cap will be hit very quickly, leaving extra purchases unrewarded. Another major roadblock is the hard requirement that you must open a savings account with Peak Credit Union just to be allowed to open this checking account, which adds an extra step and forces a broader relationship with the institution. There is also the minor risk of slipping up on the qualifications, because if a user falls short of the 12 debit transactions or accidentally opts out of eStatements, they miss out on the rewards entirely and could face unexpected fees. Furthermore, the account relies heavily on digital compliance, so individuals who prefer paper statements or do not want to use electronic options will find themselves facing fees that eat into their returns. In summary, the Peak Credit Union Cashback Checking Account is a highly accessible, low-barrier option for everyday spenders who want simple rewards without changing their shopping habits. It effectively tackles frustrating bank fees by eliminating monthly charges through eStatements and offering substantial ATM refunds, while turning 12 regular monthly debit swipes into a clear path toward extra cash. However, consumers must carefully weigh these benefits against the explicit risks and constraints involved. The rewards are strictly limited by a low $10 monthly ceiling, and missing the qualification requirements means walking away empty-handed for that month. Additionally, the mandatory requirement to open a companion savings account forces a multi-account commitment that might not align with everyone's preferred financial setup.